Could unlocking the secrets of your past lives change everything you know and understand about your future? Have you ever felt like you were destined for something greater, something beyond this lifetime? Welcome, Cosmic Explorers. Today, we are talking about something truly transformative, lifting cosmic amnesia. But what does this mean for you? Let's explore how reconnecting with our divine origins impacts our lives, from relationships to our sense of purpose. Awareness of true self. Have you ever wondered, who am I really? Imagine suddenly realizing you're more than just your name or your job. You're a divine being with an eternal soul. This awareness changes your perception of the world. Instead of feeling stuck in a limited human perspective, you start to embrace your true spiritual identity. Access to higher knowledge. What if you had access to the universe's wisdom? Lifting cosmic amnesia opens the door to universal wisdom, like tapping into the Akashic records, which holds the entire history of your soul. This can help you understand past lives, why certain things happen, and what lessons you're here to learn. Increased self-awareness. Do you feel like you're just going through life randomly without a sense of clarity? When cosmic amnesia lifts, you gain a new level of self-awareness, a heightened sense of self-awareness, including a clear understanding of your soul's purpose and mission in this lifetime. You begin to see your true purpose in life and understand how your actions and thoughts are shaping your spiritual journey. Acceleration of spiritual growth. What if you could grow spiritually faster? With a clear view of your past and a deeper connection to your higher self, you become better equipped to integrate past experiences, heal unresolved karmic patterns, and embrace your true purpose, speeding up your spiritual growth. Release of past traumas. Have you ever felt like something from the past is holding you back? When cosmic amnesia is lifted, individuals can recognize and consciously address past traumas, allowing for healing and the breaking of negative cycles, even those from previous lives. This helps us break free from negative cycles and move forward with a clean slate. Balance of karma. What if you could balance your karma? It gives you better understanding and awareness of your karmic obligations. With a better understanding of your karmic obligations, you can start making better choices that align with cosmic laws, helping you resolve old karmic debts and move towards a state of grace and liberation. Heightened perception of reality. What if reality is bigger than what you see? As your consciousness expands, you start to see beyond the physical and material world. You become more aware, attuned to higher dimensions and spiritual realms, and you feel more connected to the universe and all the beings within it. Greater unity with the universe. Have you ever felt deeply connected to the universe? This expanded awareness brings a profound sense of unity with the cosmos, where you understand that everything is part of a larger divine plan. Conscious creation. What if you could consciously create your reality? With cosmic amnesia lifted, you are no longer bound by unconscious patterns. You get empowered to manifest your life more intentionally, making conscious choices that align with your highest potential and spiritual truths. Living with purpose. Understanding your divine mission allows you to live with greater purpose, making decisions that reflect your true essence and contribute to your soul's growth. Readiness for higher dimensions. What if you're getting ready for something bigger? Lifting cosmic amnesia is a very important step in preparing for ascension, where you raise your vibration and consciousness to higher levels. This preparation helps you transition smoothly into a higher state of being and a higher state of awareness. Improved relationships. Do you ever wonder why certain people are in your life? With a greater awareness of soul contracts and karmic ties, you start to navigate relationships with more understanding and compassion. You see these interactions as essential to your soul's growth. Increased compassion for all beings. As you recognize the interconnectedness of all beings, you realize that everyone is part of the same universal consciousness, which deepens compassion, making you more empathetic and loving towards everyone. Freedom from fear. What if you could live without fear? Recognizing your eternal divine nature helps you overcome limiting beliefs and fears, whether it's the fear of death, fear of failure, or fear of lack. You start to see that your soul is part of an infinite, loving, abundant cosmos. Embracing limitlessness. Do you believe in your limitless potential? Once you're free from the confines of cosmic amnesia, you begin to embrace your limitless potential as a co-creator with the universe, understanding that you have the power to shape your destiny. In short, lifting cosmic amnesia literally transforms your life. It reconnects you with your divine origins, accelerates spiritual growth, heals karmic wounds, and expands your consciousness. You gain the power to live purposefully, create consciously, and prepare for ascension, deepening your connection to this beautiful universe. If this resonates with you, please do like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Do share your thoughts in the comments below. Let's continue exploring and growing together on this beautiful spiritual journey. Thank you for joining us today, and we will see you soon on our next video, where we will explore more cosmic secrets with you. Namaste.